We see what our housekeeper to cook the big lunch today. So first, they cook the shima. Shima is something made of corn and other powder stuff. We make it mix together. So yesterday I give some of the money to them, so they can put the cook the food and share with another watchman and gardener. Now it's time to. The shima is cooking just the ground. When it is softer, we eat. Now she's cooking the small fish. So the fish is from Malawi lake.
Lake.
From lake.
Lake Malawi.
Yes. So most of the time they do not have lunch. I think it's a big lunch for them today. So
You,
after,
Max.
Max, come. Max.
You.
Max, come. So dog to make chop. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Cannot go on. The dog make trouble in here. Okay.